To create a roll amount, as in this case, we have a sales price of $10,000 that's financed, and the payment is $302.23. But let's say you cannot get this client financed for any more than $250. So let's put $250 into the payment amount, and as you can see, the freeze payment starts flashing and it is checked. When you click enter, the roll amount is then calculated and the box turns red and it'll flash. Now when you put your mouse on it, it says right mouse click for roll screen. So let's right mouse click. You now see the roll calculation screen. This is the starting roll amount, and you can adjust the APR. You can also split the roll. For example, you can move part of it or all of it to the sales price, trade-in, deposit adjustment, and so on. Let's first adjust the APR. Click on the Adjust APR button, and then click Apply. And as you can see, the annual percentage has been changed, and the payment amount has been adjusted to $249.97, which is slightly less than the $250 that the bank will finance this person at. If you want to undo adjusting the APR, just click the Restore button, and it'll put it back to where it was before you adjusted the APR. Let's now split the payment. If you put your mouse or your cursor into the sales price, for example, it'll tell you that right mouse click to load the entire split amount, a double click to clear. So let's right mouse click. And as you can see, it put in 1786.73 instead of 1930.49. That's because if we're going to increase the sales price, the taxes will be adjusted to reflect that, and that's what brings down the available amount for the sales price adjustment. Instead of putting the entire amount into the sales price adjustment here, let's just put in $1,000. And it recalculates what's available for trade-in adjustments or deposit adjustments. So let's right mouse click on deposit adjustments, and it'll move $850.46 in there. In the event you change your mind, you can click Clear and Restore and set everything back to where it was before you started. So let's put back the $1,000 sales price adjustment, and right mouse click and deposit adjustment to put the rest of it in there into the deposit, and click Quit. And as you can now see, the sales price has been adjusted from $10,000 to $9,000, and you have a deposit of $849.49, and the roll amount is now 0. When you have a roll amount, as in this case of $1,930.49, you can also click number of payments to adjust the number of payments. And as you can see, it now adjusted the number of payments from 60 to 88, and the payment amount is just slightly less than the $250 of $249.76.